Guardian Humidifiers are uniquely designed to deliver superior performance and reliability to ensure your fine wine collection ages properly. The relative humidity of your wine storage area should be a concern when preserving your wine. If the cork dries, it can compromise the bottle seal, cause oxidation, and affect the aging process. All wine cellar cooling units remove at least some moisture from the air as they cool the room. Guardian Humidifiers add humidity back to the wine cellar and can be used in any wine cellar, regardless of the cooling system. Our wine cellar humidifiers feature commercial-grade and lightweight corrosion-resistant components. The humidification system uses an evaporative drip pad system that features a removable cover and cleanable pad for easy access and maintenance. Guardian offers two types of wine cellar humidifiers. Freestanding humidifiers can be used with any Guardian system or in cellars with a competitor's wine cellar cooling unit. The integrated version of the humidifier can be mounted only to a Guardian ducted or Guardian ducted split system. The integrated humidifier uses the Guardian remote interface for control and readout. This humidifier can be mounted on either side of your Guardian ducted or ducted split system and is powered directly from the Guardian unit. The freestanding humidifier has a sleek, modern design with a removable supply grill. Since this is a standalone humidifier, it is versatile enough to be placed in a variety of locations in your wine cellar. It can be mounted through the wall, through the racking, or on the wall using a mounting bracket. The freestanding humidifier can be used with Guardian through-the-wall systems, Guardian ductless split systems, or in a cellar that uses any other brand of wine cellar air conditioning unit. With Guardian humidifiers, you help create the perfect environment for preserving your fine wine. To learn more about Guardian humidifiers, contact us today.